Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper published 5 days ago on July 22, 2026, from the Hugging Face trending list shows that treating AI agents directly as standard Python objects achieves an 82% pass rate on SWE bench verified. The paper is titled NVIDIA Labs OO Agents, Native Python Object-Oriented Agents. By using ordinary methods and fields, it allows large language models to execute actions through familiar software patterns. Figure 1 shows how an agent is defined directly as a standard Python class. The ticket class at the top uses standard type annotations, which enforce output constraints before returning results. Below that, the support agent class combines ordinary code, like the refund check method, with agentic methods. These agentic methods use an ellipsis as their body, so the runtime delegates execution to a large language model strategy loop. Figure 2 details the internal code act strategy loop, which governs how an agentic method runs. A code act strategy is an iterative execution loop where the model writes Python code to interact with its environment. First, the harness renders context, calls the model, and executes the code. Next, it updates state before looping back for another turn. Once the result passes validation, the loop exits and returns the final value. Table 1 demonstrates that modern large language models navigate this object-oriented interface with high accuracy, without requiring specialized fine-tuning. Across all evaluations, the framework achieved an overall pass rate of 98%. GPT 5.5 achieved a perfect score on every test run. These results confirm that models inherently understand standard Python class structures. Figure 6 compares pass rates against token usage to highlight context efficiency. The dashed line highlights the Pareto frontier, which represents the best trade-off between token cost and benchmark accuracy. NOOA consistently defines this frontier across most model configurations. At maximum effort, NOOA achieves an 82% pass rate. Competing frameworks like PI require over 2 million tokens while achieving lower scores. Figure 7 evaluates performance on the ARC-AGI 3 benchmark using relative human action efficiency, a metric comparing model actions to human baselines. The top purple curve shows that combining the world model skill with native memory on GPT 5.6, Sol reaches an 85% efficiency score. On GPT 5.5, the green line achieves 50%, outperforming the blue baseline curve. A dashed gray line shows that raw GPT 5.6 Sol alone achieves only 13%, proving the effectiveness of the agent harness. Table 7 compares 14 popular AI agent frameworks across key model-facing capabilities. Pass by reference means sending live data objects directly to the model, rather than copying raw text files. The top headers outline 6 key interface patterns, which include typed inputs, executable code, and harness application programming interfaces. Most existing frameworks support these features only partially, whereas NOOA natively integrates all of them into standard Python. Wrapping up, 2 key takeaways stand out. Modeling agents directly as Python classes eliminates execution friction, while dramatically improving context efficiency on complex tasks. Aligning model actions with standard software paradigms enables large language models to perform far more reliably. That wraps up this look at object-oriented agents. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.